Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting where it matters. Open settings and tap sounds and haptics. Once there, find vibrate on silent and flip the toggle on so the phone will vibrate when the hardware switch is set to silent. Next, confirm the ring/silent switch on the left edge shows orange. That puts the phone into silent mode while allowing vibration. Do this now because it's the core setting that separates ring audio from haptic feedback. It ensures you'll feel alerts without audible sound. Once vibrate on silent is enabled, make the experience reliable by adjusting haptic intensity. In sounds and haptics, press the system haptics area or use the slider for ringtone and text tone strength. Increase it until you consistently notice feedback. Then trigger a test alert or ask someone to call you so you can feel the result. If vibrations still seem too faint, go to Accessibility, choose Touch, and increase the vibration patterns there. This targets how strong the motor behaves for all system feedback. Finish by verifying focus modes or Do Not Disturb aren't silencing haptics. Open focus and allow calls and notifications to override if needed. If you followed the steps but your iPhone still won't vibrate on silent, restart the device to clear temporary glitches. As a last resort, reset all settings to restore defaults without erasing data. This can resolve conflicting settings. If the problem persists after those steps, consider contacting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.